Welcome back. Video number 2. Today I thought it would be a good idea to talk about my top 3 reasons why our Scentsy wax is better and safer than any other brand out there. You can of course buy these things in the store that are less price and things like that, but I'll get into that a little bit later in the video. But I thought it would be nice to kind of ease my way into giving you more information of our products and why I stand by them, why my customers are obsessed and stand by them as well. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mel. This is my Scentsy channel. I am a Scentsy consultant. I'm a director for a team, and I love it and I'm obsessed. So here's where you will hear everything of Scentsy, how you can use it in your home, and videos like today. So here we go. Reason number 1, which to me, when I first became a consultant, I was like, this is perfect because I have kids, I have a dog. One of my kids has allergies. So this, of course, I want to put a disclaimer. Everybody's situation is different. Everybody's health is different. What might not affect my house, you still have to kind of try it out, read the ingredients, make sure there isn't a type of flower or a fruit or an essential oil that might be in our wax that you could still have a potential allergy to. So I just want to put that disclaimer. I'm also going to be linking more information in the description box for you guys because there's just so much that I can say, but there's more technical things that if you want to dive deeper into them, you definitely can. And I will put the PDF, like the link that you can click on and just read all about it. But one of my top reasons, of course, is the safety. When I first became a consultant, I want to say my second daughter was a little bit over a year old. And I remember her dipping her finger in the wax and me like freaking out because I was like, I'm used to these store-bought warmers that have to heat to a super high temperature. They have to get really, really hot because their wax is very hard. It's a hard type of mixture. And so of course, the actual warmer has to get to such a high temperature to burn it that it can burn your skin. It will hurt you. So you have to be very careful with those store-bought warmers. With ours, I didn't have to worry about it at all whatsoever. Our warmers actually warm. There's a big difference. They don't burn. They don't have to get to a super high temperature, which is where the really bad toxic chemicals release from, or release at that point. With ours, they just warm. Our light bulbs are very low wattage, so they warm to basically your body temperature. So you can dip your hand in it. You can, your kids can play with it by accident, of course, not that I recommend your kids playing with wax just because, I mean, to me, it's a waste of money that way. But you don't have to worry about your kids getting burned. You don't have to worry about your pets getting burned. That's the difference in why I use warmers, and there are no candles allowed in my home. We are strictly a wickless family, 100%, as that is one of my biggest fears are fires. So warmers all around the house. I don't have to worry about my kids. Or especially my older one that has allergies, I don't have to worry about any toxic chemicals releasing into the air and her allergy flaring up. So that is one of the biggest pros for me is the safety. So I know that a lot of my customers, that's why they turn from like store-bought warmers and candles to our Scentsy products, which of course we have more than just wax. We have other products, which that's a whole other video, but that is to me the top reason. So I do have a warmer there. You just give me 1 second and I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Okay, so if you see this warmer right here is a light bulb warmer. We have different types of warmers. We have light bulbs, we have element warmers, and we have, like I said, other things. So we have standard warmers and all that. And some of them have different size light bulbs, but the heat is still to where it will, let's say if, like I said, you falls in your hand, your kid dips their finger in it. I mean, my kids change their own wax, so I don't even have to worry about it. We use a carton cleanups and they just clean their own wax. So nothing to worry about when it comes to that, okay? So if you see, this dish is a little bit dirty, not gonna lie. It's been in my office, but you see, I don't know if you can see, but maybe I can put a little bit closer. it's completely melted. I dip my finger in and it immediately cools to your body temperature. I'll do it one more time. Again, completely painless. I don't have to worry about it, okay? So like I said, that is the best reason for me of why our wax, see, you can just kind of peel it off. Why our wax is, in my opinion, top notch. I mean, you just can't compare that whatsoever. Number 2, we have different options of wax. So right now we currently have our spring collection, which is in a form of bricks. What is a brick? A brick is a 1 pound wax bar. So I'm going to show you the difference, okay? This right here is our sea salt avocado, which is no longer available. It's in my Scentsy club. It's one of my favorite scents of all time, but this is a regular 5 ounce, it's a 2.5 ounce wax bar. This one right here is a brick, 1 pound. Like, these cubes are huge compared to these cubes, right? So that, in my opinion, is just such a smart and cool way of having your favorite last forever, and how you can also save money. One of these wax bars is $6. We have some in the clearance. Sometimes we have some where they are discounted. Every month we have a discounted bar. You can save money through Scentsy Club, yes. You could also get these bricks through Scentsy Club. But right now, one brick is $24. That'll be 3 of these. But one brick is equivalent to 5 of these. So financially, it just makes sense because you do save money. So you can get 1 brick equal to 5 of these and save. But like I said, right now we have our spring collection, which I'm gonna plug in a little picture right here. We have 5 bars. They are so good. Mine are on their way, so I haven't gotten them yet. But they are amazing. And they have a bundle where it's 2 for $40. I'll put the deal. Also, I'll link the landing page to that in the description. So to me, that is amazing. The fact that we have 2 different sizes, and it just gives you more option, and it will, like I said, save you lots of money. You could also get some bricks through Scentsy Club and even use a 50% off reward. Again, that's like, Scentsy Club is a whole other video, but if you have questions about Scentsy Club, just message me and then we'll take it from there. So far, number 1 is safety. Number 2 is the 2 different options of sizes, and the money. It just makes sense. And then number 3 is our lifetime warranty, which kind of coincides with our customer service. So as an independent Scentsy consultant, I am who, if you purchase from me, I am who you will deal with, and I deal with the corporate side. So you basically have a private Scentsy support. I will handle everything for you when it comes to that. But when all of our warmers have a lifetime warranty, meaning if the clicker stops working or just something mechanical happens, we will replace it for you for free, no questions asked. Now, if it shatters or you throw it and it breaks, that's a whole other thing. But lifetime warranty, in my opinion, is absolutely amazing. And of course, you get a private consultant, which will, for the most part, spoil you quite a bit. So I think that is awesome. Our online store is super easy. It's super user-friendly, and I will help with all of that, looking at your different options, looking at your Scentsy Club, which wax bar you should get. If you have an issue, like I said in the beginning, any type of allergy, I will go through any of the wax bars to make sure that doesn't, make shopping easier for you. So that, in my opinion, the variety of wax bars, the variety of fragrances and colors, and I just feel like they're also they're so pretty and classy. And our team in Scentsy home office, they put a lot of time and effort into making sure that our wax is, like I said, top quality and non-toxic and safe for everybody and affordable. Like I said, we just have so many different options. So one cool thing that I want to mention before you go is these bricks are hand poured, meaning in our warehouse, there are people that are actually grabbing pitchers of wax and pouring them by hand into these really big wax bars. I find that so cool. I've seen it myself. I've been there before. I've poured one myself. I've seen the whole process, and it's so fulfilling, like, to see this actually in my hand, that somebody took the time to do. It wasn't a machine, it was an actual person. So I love that. So if toxic chemicals, burning your house, burning down, your family or friends or pets burning, if having different options and saving money and having lifetime warranty is important to you, then you need to consider these wax bars, and you need to consider having me as your Scentsy consultant or your Scentsy sponsor. So if this is something that you or anybody you know might be interested in pursuing as a consultant or just being a customer at first, there are a lot of ways that you can get Scentsy for free and half off by either hosting a party. If you're local, if you're in the Orlando area, I could also help you. You could borrow a bag. You can try things out before you even start. I can send you Scentsy samples for free, no catch. If you're interested in any of that, I will put the description down below, and you just fill out the little form. I'll send it your way. You give me your feedback, and then we'll take it from there. Like I said, I'm your Scentsy girl. I'm here. I love my job. I love what I do. And I will see you on the next one.